we go.
Now I know these memories never die. Yeah, now I know our memories never
Here we go.
die.
Alright, straight into an inversion. Are we? No, we're going back. Whee! Here we go. What swinging going on? What swinging? Nice views up here as well. All feels very controlled here. Not intoxicated. Much preferred suspending that. It's speeding up a bit now.
You said I moved a little too fast, so I gave it back. You said somebody had hurt you before and they caught you real bad.
Splash! It's quite a good cycle though, it goes on for quite a while. Oh, that's Waterspin. Nice fun ride that. It's a good family top spin that one.